Here's a totally different kind of Zimbabwean guitar playing. Check this out, check this out. So the credit goes to Mr. Andrew Dalbredin, and he said he got this from Mr. Peter Swing, who transcribes the music straight from the Mbira onto the guitar. So this is how Mbira affects guitar music, or this is how traditional instruments in a country affect the instruments of that area, the modern instruments of that area. Okay, so how do you play this? So it's based on Tadzungaira or Nehondo, and Nehondo and Tadzungaira is based on Nemamsasa. You get it? So if you know the Nemamsasa progression, it just gets tweaked on the rhythm side a little bit, but the chord progression is the exact same. So the chord progression for Nemamsasa is 1 3 1 3 5 1 4 5 2 4 5 1 3 5, right? Something like this. So in guitar that's like something like this, right? So if you're putting a capo, I'm putting a capo on the 5th fret right there, so that I can play in C, because my Mbira is tuned in C. I'm sure on the song you could hear that there's Mbira on the background. So I did it in C. So the next thing now is, while your capo is there, these are the parent chords that you should hold, right? So it's like 1, that's a G, B minor, E minor, G, C, E minor, A minor, C, E minor, G, E minor, and then D. So you have to write these things down, because it's not the kind of thing that you'll remember. You get it? This is too much. But then now the style of playing now, instead of playing the G like this, it plays just the strings number 6 3 6 3 6 3, something like this. I'm doing this in my own way. He does it in his own way, but I just took the idea and then expanded it in my own way that I feel sounds nice for me. You get it? So it's like you're playing strings number 6 3 6 3 instead of that, right? And then the B minor. So you don't have to know how to play the bar chord like that, because I know it might be a little bit difficult. So what you do, you take your first finger, you put it on the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then your 3rd finger, you put it on the 4th fret on the 4th string. Just those 2 notes. That's what he's playing. So from top it's like the first change, right? And by the way, when I say change, I mean chord. So the first change, 2nd, that B minor, right? And then, right? So the E minor, instead of playing E minor like this, is playing the strings number 4-2, 4-2, 4-2, and then it goes back to G. And then C, instead of playing C like that, is playing strings number 4, 5-3, 5-3, 5-3, right? And then again E minor, where it plays 4-2, 4-2, 4-2, right? And then we go to, what's the next chord? A minor, right? Or for A minor, it's just playing the strings number 5-3, 5-3, 5-3, and then 5-3, 5-3, 5-3 again on C, and then E minor, 4-2, 4-2, 4-2, and then G, same thing, and then B minor, same thing, and then D. We're playing strings number 4-3, 4-3, 4-3 this time for the D. That's the whole thing. So it sounds something like this. And then now there's just some embellishments. But I obviously can't show this over here. It just becomes too much. You get it? So if you're interested, my students, if you're interested and you're listening, you should come and we should add the song to our list of things that we learn. So if you want to join the army, you know what to do. Just send a picture of your instrument to the number on my bio, and then we'll set the lessons up. See you on the next one.